Welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at using format masks using Oracle and the date type in SQL. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at. As you can see right here, I have the first little bit. It's giving me an error message. You can't simply just dump random crap into a format mask. So I have select to char sysdate mmdd yyyyy day space and then the pipe key operator to concatenate information, the disp of month yyy as bizarre request. Now, yes, that is a bizarre request, but also we don't have a format mask for either the or of. And so because of that, we're getting this lovely error message, date format not recognized. It doesn't actually work for us. So how can we fix this? Well, first we want to make sure that we properly write our query so we can easily read it, but also making sure that whenever we're using the format masks, only things that are format masks go in that second parameter of the toChar or toDate function. So let's go ahead and take a look at this new version right here. So I have this new version, and so I have select toChar sysdate mm/dd/yyy day, and then my pipe key to concatenate operator and then I have it split onto a new line to make it a lot easier to read as well, and then toChar sysdate disp of, and then toChar sysdate month yyyyy, and as overdone but valid because, hey, might as well give it a ridiculous name when we're doing this. And again, I'm using the dual table in this because it's simply just extracting raw data from just simply typed in amounts. So I run that new query and have my overdone but valid result, and I have 2/17/2022, which is Thursday, nice little gap there, the 17th of February 2022. And so we can see that we have that lovely bit of information right here where we are combining that information. We can display it and actually show that up. And so all we have to do is make sure that we're using only inside the toChar values that can actually be used inside a format mask, which include things like separator things, white space, or slashes, dashes, stuff like that. We can actually use to separate values from that. And so that's all we can do to put inside that. We can't put things like the, of, a, and, or whatever, making sure you only put correct values inside that format mask. So let's do this a little bit different. You notice the capital DD SPF right here gives us an all caps loud version of 17th. But if we change that format mask, we use the capital D lowercase d version of 17th, of DD SPF, and I run that command and hit play. And now I have Thursday, the 17th of February, 2022. So I have that new approach to make that happen as well. So we can see the impact of actually just changing the capitalization on that. I can have an all caps version versus a init cap version of that lovely value. But wait, there's more. I'll take that same result one more time and do all lowercase on this and do the disp on that. You can clearly hear the capitalization of disp versus disp. Yeah, I know. And we hit play on that version, and now we have Thursday the 17th of February, and again, it's all lowercase with that. You notice there's still that lovely gap right here and here attached to our lovely Thursday and February values with that, so we have to make sure we address that correctly. And that address of using with format masks happens when we go down here, and I'll just put this on here, have FM right here in front of day and FM in front of month, and by changing that spacing right there, I'm going to make sure that my values on that don't have extra spaces. The FM format mask trims the spaces from those padded values like month and day. And so now when I run this, select query, and I hit play, I have the remove spaces right there. So I have a nice like Thursday, the 17th of February, 2022. There's no extra space here after the word February, nor is there an extra space after Thursday. And so we can use format masks to make things look very nice and cool and pretty. And also the fact that we change the casing on that will change the actual results inside the query. Hope this is helpful. A great way to practice using format masks in the toChar operations on date. Have a great day. Cheers. We'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.